professor. So number of vacancies 187, assistant commission is 2, AE is 157, JD is 17, A was 9, assistant professor 2. So last date of submit application is 13/1/2022. The official website is www.upsconline.nic.in. This is the official, this is a website, UPSC website. So you can see the advertisement in home, recruitment advertisements. Okay, so advertisement number 19 2021. Okay, so first vacancy one is 2 vacancies for the post of assistant commissioner, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Okay, totally 2 vacancy. Okay, so vacancies suitable candidates belongs to category of person with benchmark disability, blindness and low vision with disability. So LV is low visions. So pay scale is 11 in the pay matrix, the 7th CPC, age limit is 40 years. Okay, essential qualification is master degree in agricultural economics or agricultural extension or agronomy or entomology and pneumatology or genetics and plant breeding or agricultural botany or plant biotechnology and plant pathology. Okay, and plant physiology and seed science and technology. Okay, experience is master degree holders, will be the master degree holders. Next vacancy 2 is, this is a 29 vacancy, totally 29 vacancy, post of assistant engineer. Okay, post of assistant engineer for quality assurance, Directorate of General Quality Assurance, Department of Defence Production, Ministry of Defence. So SC is 4, ST is 2, OBC 8, EWS is 1, UR is 14, PWDB is 2. Okay, so total vacancy is 29 vacancy. Okay, 2 vacancies are reserved for the candidates belong to the category of person with the benchmark disability. Okay, so in this essential qualification is master degree in science in one of the subject. Okay, physics, chemistry. Okay, from the recognized university, or bachelor degree in engineering or technology in mechanical and production. Okay, the mainly this is vacancy 29 for 29 vacancies for mechanical and production. Okay, so is the mechanical and production. So experience 2 years practical experience in production and development or quality assurance in the field of mechanical engineering or production engineering from the recognized organization or undertaking. Okay, is the 2 years are need for 2 years experience for this post. Next one is, third one is 24 vacancies in the post of assistant engineer. Okay, quality assurance, assurance. So SC is 11, ST 6, OBC 20, EW is 1, UR is 16, PWDB is 3. Okay, so in this age limit is 30. Okay, pay scale is 11, pay matrix, age limit, age is 30 years. Essential qualification for this particular post is physics, one of the subject, master degree in science is one of the subject, physics, electronics, physics with electronics and from the recognized university, or bachelor degree in engineering or technology. One of the following one of the disciplines means electrical, electronics, electronics and electrical, electronics, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation, C&I from the recognized universities. So mainly for electrical. Okay, electrical, electronics, electronics and electrical, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation. So total vacancies 74 vacancies. Okay, in this, so total vacancies 74 vacancies. So experience is 2 years practical experience in the production or development of quality assurance in the field of electrical, electronics, electronics. Okay, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation. Okay, this is need for 2 years experience for the particular post. So next one is fourth and 54 vacancies. Okay, this is the mainly for total vacancies 54. post of assistant engineer in the quality assurance, okay, GENDAX. So in the SC is 8, ST 4, OBC 15, EW is 2, UR is 25. Okay, so for the 54 vacancies, 2 vacancies are reserved for the PWDD. Okay. Next, the education qualification for this particular post is master degree in science. Okay, master degree in science in one of the subject physics, chemistry, or bachelor degree in engineering or technology is one of the discipline. Okay, so mechanical, metallurgy, textile and clothing, textile technology, plastic, polymer, ceramic technologies from the recognized university. So this 54 vacancies mainly for mechanical and productions. Okay, metallurgy department. So experience is 2 years, need for 2 years practical experience in production or development or quality assurance in the field of mechanical engineering or textile or cloth or garment designing or textile processing or metallurgy or plastic, polymer or ceramics production engineering. So need for 2 years experience for this particular post. Okay, totally 54 vacancies. Next vacancies 17 vacancies, 17. Okay, here JTS, junior time scale. Okay, grade of Central Labour Service Group A, organized service. So total vacancies SC2, ST1, OBC 5, EW is 1, UR says BD is 1. Okay. So educational qualification is degree in recognized university, diploma in social work or labor welfare or industrial relation or personal management, labor law from the recognized university of institution. So next sixth one is 9 vacancies for the post of administrative CAO. Okay, so totally 9 vacancies, SC1, ST1, OBC1, EWS1, UR is 1. So essential age limit is 30. Essential qualification is bachelor in degree recognized university, experience 2 years experience in the administration. Okay, accounts, legal or vigilance matters in the general or state or union territory government or government autonomous statutory organization of or central or state public sector corporation. So next vacancy is 7th one is the one vacancy, only one vacancy of the post of assistant professor in the Ayurveda. Okay, so one post is temporary but likely to be continued independently. General Central Service Group A. So age is 45, 7th CPC plus educational degree is Ayurveda medicine from the university. The postgraduate degree in the subject. Next also one vacancy on the post of assistant professor in the Ayurveda. Okay, the Department of Health and Family Welfare. Suitable candidates belong to category person with the benchmark for disability. Okay, mainly for disability person for this post. Age is 45. Education degree in Ayurveda medicine from the university established by the law or statutory board and faculty and examining body. Indian medicine or medical and recognized under the Indian Medical Center Council Act. So important date for this post is last date for the online application is 31/2022. Okay, so this last printing of the completely submitted online application up to 14/1/2022. Okay, this is the notes, the official website of this particular call for notification, VPSC online.nic.in. Okay, this is official website. So the relaxation, age relaxation of normal age limit. Okay, up to 5 years and up to 3 years for OBC candidates. Okay, so this is a citizenship, Indian citizens subject to Nepal and Bhutan. Okay, so age limit is as per the advertisement, minimum essential qualifications for the advertisement. So application fee is required to pay the fee is 25. Okay, by remaining or money in the branch of SBI by cash or by using net banking is also. Okay, concession relaxation. Okay, upper age limit of the ex-servicemen and commissioned officers including ESU, SSUs. Age relaxation as per the central government employees. Okay, so ex-servicemen up to 5 years as per the instruction issued by the government. Okay, So OBC candidates are get maximum up to 8 years including 3 years age relaxation. OBC category, age relaxation to person with the benchmark disability 13 years including 3 years. So age relaxation of 10 years. Okay, so it will SC ST categories, the candidates would get maximum 15 years age relaxation including 5 years made by their respective categories. Okay, so how to apply this using online application. Okay, this is the online official website upsc.online.nac.in. So important dates is 13/1/2022. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.